If you want to activate Grammarly AI on Google Docs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple step-by-step process to install Grammarly, turn it on inside Google Docs, and start using its AI tools for rewriting, expanding, summarizing, and improving your writing faster. This is a really useful setup if you write emails, documents, blog posts, or schoolwork in Google Docs and want a smart assistant built right into your workflow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, you need to install the Grammarly browser extension. Open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store or the extension store for your browser if you're using Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're there, search for Grammarly in the search bar. When the extension appears, click Add to Browser or Add to Extension, then wait for the installation to finish. If Grammarly asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free Grammarly account in just a few months. Once the extension is installed, the next step is to activate Grammarly inside Google Docs. Open a new or existing document in Google Docs. After the document loads, look toward the bottom right corner of the page. You should see the Grammarly icon, which may appear as a floating G symbol or sometimes as a small red or green dot, depending on your browser and settings. If you can see it, that means Grammarly is ready to use. If you do not see the icon right away, don't worry, there's an easy fix. Click the extension's puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar at the top. Find Grammarly in the list and make sure it's enabled for Google Docs. Inside the Grammarly settings, look for the option that says check for writing suggestions on Google Docs and turn that toggle on. This step is important because it tells Grammarly to actively work inside your Google document instead of just sitting in the browser. Once Grammarly is activated, you can start using the standard grammar and spelling suggestions right away. But the best part is that you can also use Grammarly's AI features for on-demand help. To do that, simply highlight any text inside your document that you want to improve. This could be a sentence you want to rewrite, a paragraph you want to expand, or a section you want to summarize. After you highlight the text, Grammarly will usually show a small light bulb, pencil, or Grammarly AI icon near the selection. Click that icon and Grammarly will give you instant AI-powered options. From there, you can ask it to rewrite the text, change the tone, make it shorter, make it longer, or help you brainstorm better wording. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your writing process without leaving Google Docs. It keeps everything in one place and makes editing much more efficient. If you're working on content creation, school assignments, business documents, or daily writing tasks, this feature can save you a ton of time. And the more you use it, the easier it becomes to polish your writing with confidence. So to quickly recap, install the Grammarly extension, open Google Docs, enable the Grammarly writing suggestions toggle, and then highlight text whenever you want AI help. That's how you activate Grammarly AI on Google Docs and start using it right away. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.